continue the prep of the light body.
It's facet, but you still have to read it for me. One of them says facet, but the other one you have to make sure. Pretty good? Yeah. Very good. Okay.
check the luster paste with the BOO has the high fluorescence light finish it. Okay, now we took the color CS2 was a little bit darker than CS2, so we do have this. All right, which is I expected a little bit, much lighter, but that's fine. I give it a warm, which is luster. It's just a little bit. Okay, it's good. Here's a brighter. Okay, then patient has the opolucency, which is this is important. Just very thin brush. Okay, if you think too much, no problem. Just diminish it in between tools. Very good. All right, so right here, you see what I'm talking about? Okay. And not only this, using the very white, okay, and mix with the LB, which is the LD, to make the halo. Okay, 10 halo. Then I can fire with a 10 Celsius, right? Now you can see the color. See the dramatic change it. So now we can bake. Size is nice. 2 veneers. Right down. Prepare. All right. The lateral one more time. Okay. Prepare. You put some saliva the other adjacent teeth. Yes. Like I said, the central is too yellow, so this view is just great.
Gently. Yeah, gently. Just gently.
Sandblast it.
Right there.
I asked because I wanted to know.
Which one it was?
Yeah, yeah. I was etching for tools. So we made this slightly light because we're going to bleaching. Number 8 is a little bit more darker. Now it's etching, so like your so this is the finish it with the after cement. Open up. Right. It's good. Same day veneer, right? Is that right?
What's that?
Same day veneer.
At somebody